Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. Number 6. Economy and Development. The Jewel Park in Telangana is focused on promoting a gems and jewelry industry. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project in Telangana is built across which river? A. Godavari. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project aims to provide irrigation to how many acres of land? A. 45 lakh acres. The Integrated District Collectorate Complex in Telangana is located in A. Siddipet. The Dhanya Sangrahalayam project in Telangana is related to A. Agri-Horticultural Museum. The Telangana State Industrial Policy (TSIP) focuses on attracting A. investments and industries for economic growth. The Nirudyога Bhruti scheme in Telangana is related to A. unemployment allowance for youth. The Meta Towers project in Telangana is related to the development of A. IT and commercial office space. The Task Force for Industry Development in Telangana is headed by A. Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary, Industries and Commerce. The Telangana Fiber Grid initiative aims to provide broadband connectivity to A. rural areas and government institutions. The E-Waste Management Park in Telangana is located in A. Medchal Malkajgiri district. The Seed Access Road project in Telangana is aimed at improving A. infrastructure for seed production and marketing. The Nitham E-Tourism Hub project in Telangana is related to A. developing tourism infrastructure and skills. The Pal Pragathi program in Telangana focuses on A. strengthening rural infrastructure and services. The Rural Industrialization Project in Telangana aims to promote A. rural entrepreneurs and industries. The Medapally horticulture market in Telangana is aimed at A. providing modern facilities for fruit and vegetable trading. The Harita Land Records portal in Telangana is related to A. online access to land records and property details. The Agriculture Investment Support Scheme Raithu Banda in Telangana provides financial support to farmers for A. investment in agriculture inputs and expenses. The Telangana State Solar Power Policy aims to promote A. solar energy generation and investments. The Telangana State Tourism Development Corporation (TSTDC) focuses on promoting A. tourism destinations and hospitality services. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.